So today I'm going to be unboxing this vintage 1985 Thomas & Friends set. I always wanted this as a kid. If we look on the side of the box, we know it's quite old because Percy doesn't even have an image yet. There's the rest of the line, which basically comes in this set apart from the Tidmouth milk. Picture of the layout itself on the side. So let's open this up and get into it. Get past this bit of bubble wrap. Second, some destructions or oh, look at this 1985 Hornby catalogue. It says World of Thomas & Friends inside, so we'll have a look at that. So let's see what's inside the set underneath the bubble wrap. So we've got Thomas, then the trucks, Annie and Clarabelle. We've got the corners, old power unit. We've never seen one of these ones before. And let's take a closer look at the power unit. If anyone could shed some light on that in the comments, that'd be great. We've got the uncoupler. I think that's what they're called. We've got the originals. Well, we've got all the track actually that came with the set. And to be fair, it looks unused, which is great. So let's have a look at Thomas himself, the man of the hour. And oh wow, he's got the really old face. I was not expecting that at all. I haven't seen the contents of this box before purchase. Let's have a look at him. Cog is nice shape. He's also got the red square on the back of his bunker. That's quite a rarity. So he's a nice model actually. Did not expect that. That is wicked. Bear in mind, I only paid 50 quid for this set off eBay. We've got the old truck. This one is another one on eBay that usually sells for around £65 now. So it's great to get him in this set basically for less than what he's worth on his own. We've got the normal truck. I've got quite a load of these from the past. Good looking truck though. Reminds me of the first series. And the brake van, which is handy because I don't have one of these. Well, I've got a GWR one. And Annie and Clarabelle. But this is 1985 catalogue, so it says it contains Thomas & Friends, so we'll skip to that bit. Thomas & Friends bit. There's some really good stuff in here, but I'm going to save it for another video because it's worth a video. Okay, so it's time to test Thomas. So here's a video of him running around my layout.